Now, the price of Terra Luna Classic continues to rally higher today as the overall cryptocurrency market continues to move higher as well. Bitcoin retesting $21,000, Ethereum up, Shiba Inu coin up, and yes, Terra Luna Classic around that 18,000 and 19,000 point per coin mark, and I absolutely hope to see it soaring back into the 2000s and beyond. Now, Look, we've got a lot going on with the Terra Luna Classic blockchain, yes, but one of the things that always inspires people and keeps them interested is price predictions and price action. Because at the end of the day, that's all it boils down to. We want to make money in the cryptocurrencies that we're investing in, and therefore we want the prices to rise. Now, we do have some very interesting price predictions. I found a news article that went and compiled a bunch of different analysts' expectations about Terra Luna Classic in 2025 and 2030. Now, the good news is all of them are showing gains. The great news is some of them are showing massive gains. Now, the real news is these are just predictions. These are just expectations, and they're not guaranteed. So we're going to talk about them, and of course, if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2023 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and $1 crypto trade is going to get you $5 in free crypto. Now, if you guys want crypto-exclusive exchanges where you can buy, sell, trade, leverage, short, all of that good stuff, you got KuCoin and Binance down there. KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active traders, so the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. But please be aware, none of these centralized exchanges are guaranteed, and anytime you hold your cryptocurrency on there, they consider it a loan to themselves. So you might want to consider holding on a DeFi or cold storage wallet, especially if you want that crypto to remain yours. Now, guys, Terra Luna Classic looking great this morning, so therefore we're going to talk about how good it could be looking in 2025 and 2030, and then, of course, we'll go over some of the more recent support and resistance levels that we've got. Now, it says, before you read further, you should understand the predictions are different cryptocurrency platforms, and analysts widely vary as different analysts rely on different sets of metrics to arrive at their conclusions. And, I mean, come on, man. All of these are just predictions anyway. Nobody knows what is going to happen tomorrow. A good number of times, these predictions can wildly go wrong. Besides, nobody can foresee events. All right, so he's basically covering all his bases right there, saying don't trust these numbers. These are analyst predictions, and they are expectations, and they are not guaranteed. So Telegon, this is an analyst firm out there, predicts that the minimum and maximum prices of Terra Luna Classic in 2025 will be 0.0089, or basically 1 cent, up to 2.8 cents. Now, guys, imagine if Terra Luna Classic runs to almost 3 cents just 2 years from now. That is going to be a wild swing higher, and it gets better from there. So up to 3 cents. Other experts, after analyzing the previous performance of Terra Luna Classic, predicted the average price in the said year is going to be 1.5 cents. Not bad at all, man. 1.5 cents, I'll take that one too. Basically just 50% of the previous expectation right there. Now, Coinpedia they're not so optimistic, but they're still bullish. About the future of Terra Luna Classic, it predicts that Terra Luna Classic will be traded as high as 0.0028 and as low as 0.001, so 1/10 cent. Still much higher than where we are right now. A 10x gain over the next 2 years is the lowest of the price predictions that we are currently seeing out there by these analysts. Now, I will say, this is wildly optimistic, I get that, but the good news is, this Coinpedia, the 10x gain from where we're currently at, that is basically a doubling of what we have seen in the past. Basically a double of where we were when Terra Luna Classic was reaching highs back in September. That is not impossible to achieve. And that's not impossible to achieve without burning Terra Luna Classic either. I mean, we can get to those levels, a tenth of a cent, and still have decent market caps that are easily achievable, especially if a bull market is returning by 2025. Now, see, that's the part that's almost impossible to predict, is whether or not the overall economy is going to sustain a bull market rally by then. If it does, these price predictions could absolutely be incredible. The other factor that we have to consider is burning Terra Luna Classic. I don't think that we're going to get to a 3-cent valuation on Terra Luna Classic, or a 3-cent price point on Terra Luna Classic, without burning massive amounts of Terra Luna Classic. So we got to keep that in mind. Now, this is where it gets interesting, guys. 2030. I'll say this. 2030, anything can happen by then. I mean, we could burn the entirety of the supply. Terra Luna Classic could be completely destroyed. The US dollar might be worthless. Nobody knows what's going to happen in 7 years from now. If you look at the technological advancements that have happened over the past 7 years, we could be flying by 2030. Nobody knows what to expect by then, and these are guesses, but these numbers are going to inspire you. If they do come true, it's absolutely going to be wild. Now, Telegon continues to remain optimistic about the future of Terra Luna Classic in 2030 as well. It predicted that Terra Luna Classic is going to trade as high as $5.23. Now, obviously, we're going to need to burn a massive amount of Terra Luna Classic if we're going to see a $5.23 price point. But nonetheless, could you imagine multiplying whatever Terra Luna Classic you've got right now, multiply it by 5, and that's how much money you're sitting on. The lowest price prediction for 2030 from Telegon is $1.93. I mean, absolutely. 7 years from now, think about that. If you could retire, right? You could retire in 7 years if the price points are $1.93 to $5.23. Now, the average price remaining at $3.11. Awesome. On the other hand, Bitcoin Wisdom predicted that Terra Luna Classic's price will keep oscillating between 2.6 or 0.2 of a cent and roughly 2.8 tenths of a cent in 2030. So not a huge gain, basically capping out at a 20x gain from where we're currently at. Still, not a problem at all if you are 20xing your money over the next few years. It is going to be incredible. Guys, none of these price predictions are bearish. All of them are bullish. And I don't know where we're going to be. I mean, you could agree with these price points. You could disagree with these price points. But what it boils down to is people are bullish on Terra Luna Classic for a variety of reasons. One, we're rebuilding a layer 1 blockchain. 2, we will be burning as the years go on. And 3, a bull market is bound to return. And when bull markets return, guys, if you were here for 2021, it was wild. People buy anything during these bull markets. And if Terra Luna Classic even has a glimmer of a hope, a bull market will just exaggerate that times 100. People will be pouring into it, and it is going to be looking good. So I want to know what you guys think. Down in the comments below, get your price predictions out for 2025 and 2030. What do you guys think down there? And of course, if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it. Subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day. We are growing our portfolios together. You guys got Claybro883 everywhere. You're getting 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance, free Discord. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.